Hello and welcome to Supply Chain Short Takes, a brief discussion with an industry expert on important issues affecting supply chain management. I'm David Maloney, the Group Editorial Director at DC Velocity and Supply Chain Exchange. And joining me today is Cody Upp, the Head of Sales, Marketing, and Solutions Design at Zebra Technologies. Cody is a supply chain automation executive who has shaped his career around mission-critical supply chain technology. He specializes in leading mid-stage, high-growth commercial organizations that operate in the intralogistics space. Welcome, Cody. It's good to have you with us today.
Thank you, David. Pleasure to be here.
Today, we're talking about your Zebra Robotics Automation division of Zebra Technologies. And for Cody, those not familiar with that part of Zebra, can you share a bit about your company and its role in the supply chain industry?
Yeah, so many know Zebra Technologies as providing edge devices to companies all over the intralogistics landscape. A few years ago, Zebra Technologies made an acquisition in the robotics space, and that's what we're doing here is launching an autonomous mobile robot solution across manufacturing and fulfillment operations.
So today we're discussing why the industry needs a new fulfillment automated mobile robot solution. Cody, what dynamics are driving the need for more AMR solutions for fulfillment?
Largely, warehouses are cost centers. The objective of warehouses is to ensure quality and reliability and service levels, but at the same time, reduce variable cost per unit with every measure that they can. And we believe that there's market dynamics at play that have been relatively inefficient, with few number of vendors being able to provide the level of sophistication in fulfillment automation systems within the collaborative mobile robot environment to be able to really drive cost savings, meaningful cost savings and variable reduction in cost per unit and cost per order to end users. And as a result of that, we wanted to come in as an entrant and provide a really competitive solution that passes through as much profitability back to that client.
Cody, why does the market need another fulfillment AMR solution to meet these needs?
Yeah, so David, as I was alluding to, we believe the market's relatively inefficient. When there was an acquisition of a second provider of autonomous mobile robots back in 2019 by Shopify, the market was really left with a single provider of technology. And with that became, again, an inefficiency in the marketplace. What we are eager to do is to be able to drive a really sophisticated fulfillment engine, coupling both software, hardware, and analytics that is cost optimized and really dialed in to maintain the highest asset utilization of both robots and humans in these environments.
Is there a specific market segmentation that the solution addresses that previous offerings haven't?
Yeah, absolutely. And so the things that we're focused on is one, enabling edge devices on the human itself and digitizing and creating a third agent, if you will, in the fulfillment operation by putting a wearable on the user. By doing so, we unlock all sorts of different capabilities. One of the things that we are particularly keen on is optimizing cycle time with throughput in mind. So not everyone is concerned about getting as many orders out within an hour as possible. Some organizations and operations are concerned with how long does it take me to get a single order out of the building? And when we can digitize the human, we have full control over the prioritization and accountability of an order throughout an operational workflow.
Your solutions have something known as team intelligence. So how is your offering with team intelligence different than other AMR collaborative picking robot solutions?
Yeah, so team intelligence, as I was just mentioning, starts with arming the user with a wearable. And the moment that we can arm the user with a wearable, we can start making allocation decisions of work to individuals. So it starts with first making allocations of orders to robots, then making allocations of robots to tours, and then making allocations of tours of robots to humans. And when we do this, we can increase the utilization of the fleet of autonomous mobile robots dramatically. And when we do that, we can reduce the variable cost per unit within our clients' operations.
Cody, how would someone get more information about some of the technologies that we've discussed today?
Please feel free to visit us at zebra.com/fulfillment or reach out to me directly at cody.upp@zebra.com.
Thank you, Cody, for being with us today.
Thanks, David.
We've been talking today with Cody Upp, the Head of Sales, Marketing, and Solutions Design at Zebra Technologies. And this has been Supply Chain Short Takes.